it's great to have you here again. Today I'm doing something new and I am excited about it. I am doing the three-strand twist, which is very easy and simple. If you are looking for a great protective hairstyle, this hairstyle right here is for you. First, I'm going to divide my hair into three sections, then moisturize it. This is the tea refresher that I made for my hair. I use it for my hair only, and also for the moisturizer part I am using the Thank God is Natural Daily Care Moisturizer, and I also mix it with other stuff, so that's my thing. I do that. And for the three-strand twist, we are going to divide the hair into three equal sections and twist them over one another. Very simple and easy. Let's get started. So guys, I'm done twisting my hair, and I am using this moisture spritz from Creole Essence. So let me tell you the story behind this bottle right here. So the product came into its original bottle, so it got broken, and I had this bottle somewhere else. I poured the product into this bottle and I use it, and I put the label in this bottle as well, so I know what I'm using it. But it smells great. I love it, guys. So check it out. All right. So yeah.